Tangled and Toy! Tangled and Toy!
Hi guys, I'm super excited today because we are going to unbox a bunch of Tokidoki surprise packs. Yay! So I have 7 of them today, and if you see, we have Unicorno and Friends, Donutella and her sweet friends. We have the new supermarket Besties, which I'm really excited to open up. And then we have also a Unicorno Series 7. So which one do you think we should open first? I really want to see what's in here, but I'm going to save them for the end because, you know, like save the best for last. Let's actually open up Unicorno and Friends. So we have 2 of these, and I'm actually not sure what series it is because it doesn't say anywhere on the box. So if you guys know what series, please put it in the comments below. So this one was actually $9.90, but I got it on sale, so it was a little bit less than that. So we might get Sandy and Yuma, Amarena and Sundae, Little Taro and Kaiju Kono, Baby Stellina and Stellina, Strawberry Milk and Rosa Latte, Biscotti and Dolce, Palette and Aquamarina, or Salaryman and Wasabi. Well, that's pretty funny. Salaryman and Wasabi. And it says Chaser. So which one do you hope we get? They're all pretty cool, so let's see. Okay, there is the blind bag, and then inside will be, again, the checklist of the different ones, or the listing of the different ones. So let's see. I was kind of hoping we would get this one. And then if you see, it's covered right here. Let me take off the little cover to cover the spoon. Wow, this is bigger than I had expected. It's a little bit heavy. What do you guys think? I love it, it's so cute. So if you see, we got Amarena and Sundae. Okay, here's our next one. It doesn't feel as heavy, so I don't think it's going to be the same one. I hate it when you get duplicate. Okay, it's not the same. Which one do you think it's going to be? Oh, good, it's not the same. Oh, I love how this is kind of see-through. So if you see, you can see inside. It doesn't move. Oh, it doesn't move. So inside, I don't know if you can see. Oh, right there. Do you see the fish? There's like a fish inside. But it doesn't move around. It's stationary. Look, it's like a mermaid one. I don't remember seeing this one on the checklist. I didn't realize it's this one right here. If you see, we got Palette and Aquamarina. Oh, wow. It's really cool. Which one do you like better? It's hard to decide. They're both really cute. Since we just opened up the Unicorno and Friends, then let's open up this Unicorno Series 7. So in the Unicorno Series 7, this one I got for $7.95, but actually again, I think I got on sale for maybe $1.50 off. So for this series, you have 10 different ones you can collect. If you see Star Fairy, this one Lulu, it says it's Chaser, Thai Princess, oh I hope we get this one. Robolina, Victoria, Unicorno is another Chaser. If you see here, Izumi, oh she's cute too. Slider, oh there's so many cute ones, I like that one too. Frutina, and then Super Panda and Bamboo. So which one do you hope we get? Oh, Star Fairy is nice too, and Lulu, okay. Let's see, we only have one of these, so hopefully it's a good one, but they're all pretty good. Then in here then would be the paper showing you all the different Unicorno ones. Let's see which Unicorno one we got. Oops. I think we got the Thai one. Yay, that's what I wanted. So if you see here, how cool, there's an elephant on here. And And then all the nice decoration, painting on her, little hooves, and then the headdress. Oh, I really like it. What do you guys think? Let's open up Donutella and Her Sweet Friends Series 2. So this one is marked as $8.90, but I got it for a little bit less than that. This one's taped. This one actually doesn't show. Oh, okay. Here I think would be the possible ones that we could get. This one, let me cut open because there's tape here. Okay. Let's open up and see what we got. So this is the box. I love how shiny it is, the metallic on it. Okay. And here, okay, here will be the list of the different ones we can get. Sugarina, Candy Girl, Sprinkle Cycle, Choco Ninja, Banana Anna, Bubble Love, Zigzag, and then Sweet Speedster. This doesn't feel like a car, so I don't think we got Sweet Speedster, but let's see who we got. Oh, I like her well, they're not really sunglasses, her goggles. Her heart goggles. Cute. So we got Bubble Love. This is what she looks like. So we have one more of the Donutella Series 2 to open. Let's see who we got. Yeah, at least it's a different one. Oh, this one's cute. I like this one. Do you know who she is? This one's Candy Girl. She's definitely very colorful. Okay, so these are the two ones we got for the Donutella Series 2. Okay, it's time for the supermarket besties. Yay, so we have two of them. Hopefully it'll be two different ones. This one, there's the price. So for this one, this will be the new series they have. It's $8.90. Again, I got it on sale. So I think I paid maybe $7 or a little under that for these ones. Okay, if you see, the container is really cute. And let's open it up. Okay, so here we'll show you which ones we could get. Here are the different 10 that we could get. So we could get Hottie, the Chaser, it's like sriracha sauce. Punchy, Mr. Matchamoto, Toki, which is like Pocky. If you don't know Pocky, it would be like cookies. They're kind of like biscuit sticks dipped in chocolate or strawberry and other yummy flavors. Tummy Yum Yum, Nasi Go-Go, Ruby Ramen, Mini Bao, Mei Mei, and Kim Kimchi. So which one do you hope we get? Maybe this one will be the ramen. Let's see. Oh, I think I guessed correctly. Oh no, I didn't. This is Thai on here. So actually, it's Thai Tom Yum soup. I saw the lid and the noodles inside. I thought it was ramen, but it's still so cute. So actually, this one would go well with our Thai Unicorno. Our Thai Unicorn, right? Both from Thailand. Have you guys ever been to Thailand before? I have. I like it. I love Thai food. So this is what it looks like on the lid. It's ready in 3 minutes. And it shows you directions on the back and it says enjoy. Here's the front. And the inside looks like shrimp is inside. That's really cute. So hopefully this one is not the same. We have been lucky so far, no duplicates. Hopefully I didn't just jinx us. Okay, let's see. Here's our last blind bag today. This be a different one. It feels small. Yay! We got the green tea, Ocha. So if you see here, oh look how cute the shoes are. You see the little slippers? And then it says green tea, no sugar. It's a little bit hard to see the lid, but if you see there, that's actually the Japanese symbol for tea, cha. So these are all the ones I unboxed today. Which one do you like the best? Do you like one of these, the Donutella ones, Unicorno and Friends, Supermarket Besties, or Unicorno Series 7? And it's hard to decide. They're all so cute. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye.